We have been asked to perform this binary subtraction. So the one will be considered as Minuend, the number being subtracted from, and the second one will be considered as Subtrahend, the number being subtracted. So I will have to write two more zeros just to compensate with the number of digits Minuend had. When we borrow one from higher bit column, that one borrowed is equal to 2 in active column. Like I have to subtract 1 from 0 can't be done. That is why I have to go to next column and I will borrow 1. This one will be left as 0. When 1 is borrowed to this column, it will be equal to 2 in this present column. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And now I have to subtract 1 from 0. That can't be done. That is why I have to go to next higher bit column and search for 1. But here I can't find 1. That is why I have to go to next column. I have 0 over here as well. That is why I have to carry on with my search. So I will have to go to next higher bit column and here I will find 1. When I borrow this one, it will be equal to 0 and this 1 will equal to 2 in this lower bit column. And now I need borrow for this column. That is why I have to borrow from this 2. So when I borrow 1 from this column, it will be remain 1 and this 1 borrowed will be equal to 2 in this column. Alright, now I have to borrow 1 from this 2. So as a result, it will be equal to 2 in this column, but this one will be equal to is 1. And I have to subtract 1 from this 2. So I will get 1. And this has 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. And 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1. So, and remember we have 0 over here. Alright. Now this column has a weight of 1, 2, it has 4, it has 8, and this one has 16. First converting this minute, so min, and now 1 times 16 will be equal to 16 plus 0 times 8 plus 0 times 4, that will be equal to 0, 0. Now 1 times 2 will be equal to 2 plus 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Now this one is equal to 18, and this subtrahend 0 times 16 is equal to 0 plus 0 times 8 is equal to 0 plus 1 times 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So that's equal to 7. Now when 7 is subtracted from 18, we will get 11. Let me convert this difference as well. 0 times 16 will be equal to 0 plus 1 times 8 will be equal to 8 plus 0 times 4 will be equal to 0 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Now 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So yes,